One of the things I was most worried about with getting a bidet was how hard it was going to be to install. And this bidet was remarkably easy to install. And I'm going to show you right here on my Kohler toilet. You really just take off this lid and add the washlet. Then you'll connect it to water and electricity. My electricity is right here on this wall under the sink. So that will actually be the most complicated part, is we're going to cut a little hole out of that vanity. But just disconnect the water, add their little T that they provide, and then you'll add on this bracket. Now this bracket is what will hold the washlet in place, and it is extremely important that you screw it down as tightly as possible, as that'll prevent it from wiggling on you at all. And it uses these crazy rubber screws underneath, and those will tighten and squish up as you screw it in. And then it really just latches right in. And this is also how you pull it right off. It's very easy to latch in and latch out when you need to. Once it's popped on, it is flush with the toilet. I got the water and the power hooked in and tucked it all away so it's not really in sight. You can see the water pipe is hooked kind of in the back there, and that was really straightforward to do. It just took a lot of hand tightening. I didn't use any plumber's tape or get fancy at all. But now it's on, and it is fantastic. It truly is ready to go. You can clean it immediately, and I had to block the motion sensor to get it to do anything, and now it's running the warm air. The seat is already hot. I go into detail on the remote and all the features in another video, but in this video I really want to show you just how easy this is to install, and you really don't have to do anything to set it up. Once it is plugged in, it is good to go, and I am so in love with this. I know you will love it too. Definitely recommend the Toto Washlet.